Welcome to our video tutorial on how to deliver a motivational speech. Speaking confidently and inspiring others may seem like a daunting task, but with the right techniques and mindset, you can become an incredible motivational speaker. In this video, we will guide you step by step on the journey to delivering a memorable speech that will motivate and inspire your audience. Section 1. Preparation before delivering a motivational speech. Thorough preparation is crucial. The more you prepare, the more confident and effective you'll be during the delivery of your speech. Let's take a look at the essential steps to ensure you deliver a powerful speech. First, choose a powerful topic on which you want to deliver the speech and then do a detailed research to gather relevant information about the topic. Thereafter, structure your speech in a way that can keep the attention of your audience engaged to whatever you have to say. Create a compelling introduction of the topic. Remember, first impression is the last impression. Therefore, the opening words of your topic will decide whether your audience will remain attentive to you or not. Section 2. Engaging delivery techniques. Now that you have prepared your speech, it's time to focus on how you shall deliver it. Engaging your audience is the key to keeping them motivated and interested. Let's explore some effective techniques to help you deliver your speech with impact. Body language and nonverbal communication are important aspects of how you carry your body before your audience. While speaking, you should look confident to show that you are in command of your topic. Also, you should not gesticulate too much, otherwise you may look like a fidgety person, and this will create a bad impression. Voice modulation and inflection are also important in a speech. You should learn where to increase your pitch, where to pause, so as to keep the attention of your audience directed at you. Eye contact with the audience is important to evoke their interest in you, as this will connect you with your audience. Using visual aids and props in support of your speech shall show that you are well prepared and well rehearsed on the topic, and this will grow the confidence of the audience in your talk. You can make your speech more interesting by incorporating stories and examples to which your audience can relate easily. Section 3. Captivating your audience. To truly deliver a motivational speech, you need to captivate your audience and leave a lasting impact. In this section, we will discuss powerful strategies to ensure your message resonates with your listeners. Emotional appeal always catches the attention of any audience, so prepare and stress upon it carefully. Providing practical advice is also important. Here, be also ready to answer queries, if any, from your audience. Adding humor and personal anecdotes is helpful to lighten the atmosphere and put the audience at ease with you, so do use them. Invoking passion and inspiration also helps in making a lasting impact on the audience. Congratulations! By following these steps and implementing the techniques we've discussed in this video, you now have the tools to deliver a motivational speech that will inspire and motivate others. Always remember to believe in yourself, practice, and evoke genuine emotions with your words. So go out there, let your passion shine, and become an exceptional motivational speaker. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you have liked our presentation. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also share it, as this will prompt us to make more videos on the subjects of your liking. Thanks again.